These kitchen gadgets aren't selling because of ads. They're selling because they quietly remove steps from your cooking routine. People buy them once, then wonder why they waited so long. Some replace tools you already own. Others fix annoyances you stopped questioning years ago. If one of these solves a problem you actually have, hit like. Subscribe to keep seeing what's really working, and every product you see is linked in the description. Let's start. Meal prep speeds up the moment everything happens in one place. This chopper combines slicing, grating, shredding, and chopping into a single setup that drops ingredients straight into its container, keeping counters clean. 6 sharp stainless steel blades handle onions, potatoes, tomatoes, cheese, and more, letting you switch cuts quickly without changing tools. The included finger guard adds confidence during faster prep, while the cleaning brush helps clear blades without hassle. Built from sturdy, BPA-free materials, it feels solid enough for daily use and holds up across repeated meals. The black and white design blends easily with most kitchens, avoiding the bulky look of traditional processors. Simple to use and easy to store, it works just as well for quick dinners as it does for batch prep. Everything stays efficient, controlled, and organized from start to finish. You can get it for $19.99. Visual appeal plays a big role in how drinks are enjoyed, and these glasses lean fully into that experience. The ribbed vintage style adds texture and character, while the clear glass shows off every layer of iced coffee, juice, or boba. A wide opening makes sipping comfortable and effortless, especially with thicker drinks and chewy pearls. The bamboo lid and reusable straw replace disposable plastics without feeling delicate or impractical. Simple, reusable, and visually satisfying, they elevate everyday beverages. You can get them for $17.99. Craving something frozen no longer requires planning ahead or clearing freezer space. This machine creates soft serve, slushies, sorbet, milkshakes, and frozen drinks on demand, thanks to a built-in compressor that works quietly and fast. Selecting a mode and texture feels intuitive, letting you fine-tune results from light and creamy to thicker, spoonable treats. Ingredients go straight in, and results are ready in minutes, making it easy to switch between family desserts and blended drinks without downtime. The capacity handles group servings comfortably, while healthier swaps like dairy-free bases or protein blends fit naturally into the process. Cleanup stays simple with a dedicated self-cleaning cycle that clears the chamber quickly between batches. Consistent performance, flexible options, and minimal noise make it practical for regular use, not just special occasions. It brings variety and control to frozen treats without extra steps. You can get it for $389.06. Breakfast becomes more playful and flexible with a single compact appliance. This mini waffle maker switches between different waffle styles and a flat griddle, making it easy to prepare sweet treats or simple savory meals. The plates heat quickly and release food cleanly thanks to the non-stick surface, so results stay consistent without extra oil. Indicator lights remove guesswork, letting you know exactly when it is ready to use. Removable plates make cleanup straightforward, and dishwasher-safe parts keep maintenance simple for daily routines. Its small size works well for families, kids, or quick portions without taking over counter space. Everything stores neatly in the included case, keeping the kitchen organized. You can get it for $26.01. Single servings make frozen treats feel more personal, and this machine is built exactly for that moment. Using a freezable mug, it turns simple ingredients into gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, or slushies without extra steps or bulky equipment. The process feels intuitive, letting you control flavors and portions while avoiding leftovers. Its compact size fits easily in small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anywhere counter space is limited. Once finished, everything separates quickly, so cleanup takes minutes instead of becoming another task. The experience stays simple and fun, encouraging experimentation without committing to large batches. It is designed for quick cravings, creative mixes, and everyday enjoyment rather than occasional use. Convenient, approachable, and easy to store, it brings homemade frozen desserts into daily routines. You can get it for $37.61. Precision matters most at the exact moment food reaches doneness, and this thermometer is built for that decision point. In just half a second, it delivers a clear and accurate temperature reading, helping you avoid overcooking or guessing. Certified accuracy keeps results consistent, whether you are searing steak, slow cooking soups, or checking delicate desserts. The rotating LED display stays readable in bright sunlight or low light, adjusting naturally as you move. A magnetic back and dedicated probe slot make storage simple after rinsing it clean, and the waterproof build handles everyday kitchen use without concern. Controls are positioned for quick access, keeping the focus on cooking rather than settings. Designed for reliability and speed, it feels more like a professional tool than a basic gadget. You can get it for $66.66. Crowded mornings and shared meals become easier when everything cooks at once. This griddle offers a wide cooking surface that handles pancakes, burgers, eggs, and quesadillas side by side without juggling pans. Heat control stays precise, letting you adjust temperatures smoothly as different foods finish at different times. The non-stick surface releases food cleanly, while excess grease flows into the removable drip tray to keep counters tidy. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the dishwasher-safe cooking plate, turning what is usually a chore into a quick step. It heats fast, runs consistently, and fits naturally into family kitchens or casual gatherings. Designed for daily use rather than occasional breakfasts, it keeps cooking simple, flexible, and efficient. You can get it for $59.99. Kitchen routines feel lighter when one appliance handles multiple jobs without slowing you down. This countertop oven blends air frying, convection baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating into a single setup that cooks faster and more evenly. Strong airflow circulates heat efficiently, cutting cook times while delivering crisp textures with far less oil than traditional frying. Despite its compact footprint, the interior capacity is generous enough for family portions, from wings to pizzas, without crowding the tray. The enamel-coated interior resists sticking and wipes clean easily, keeping maintenance simple after busy meals. Controls stay straightforward, making it easy to switch between functions as recipes change. Built for everyday cooking rather than occasional use, it balances speed, versatility, and healthier results in one appliance. You can get it for $149.99. Precision slicing usually takes time and a steady hand, but this tool compresses the entire process into one controlled motion. With multiple blades working at once, fresh meat turns into even slices instantly, creating consistent results without repeated cutting. Adjustable thickness gives you flexibility, whether you want thin slices for hot pot, uniform strips for jerky, or neatly cut portions for meal prep. The stainless steel blades feel sharp and solid, delivering clean cuts while the suction base keeps everything stable on smooth surfaces. After use, cleaning stays simple with the included brush, and the compact design makes storage easy without taking over drawer space. It is built for people who want control over texture and presentation without relying on bulky electric equipment. Efficient, manual, and surprisingly fast, it brings professional style cuts into everyday cooking. You can get it for $18.44. Kitchen prep becomes noticeably calmer when speed does not come at the cost of safety. This Mandoline keeps the blade hidden, allowing you to slice, dice, and julienne without gloves or blade swaps. A single setup handles multiple cut styles, letting you move through potatoes, carrots, or cucumbers smoothly while adjusting thickness with precision. The enlarged feed opening and container mean more food processed at once, reducing pauses and interruptions. Its folding design keeps cleanup simple, rinsing clean under the tap with the included brush and storing easily afterward. Built with durable stainless steel components, it feels solid and dependable for daily use. Instead of juggling attachments or worrying about slips, everything stays controlled and efficient from start to finish. It fits naturally into everyday cooking, especially for anyone who values consistency without complication. You can get it for $39.99. Movie nights feel different when popcorn is made fresh instead of poured from a bag. This machine uses hot air to pop kernels evenly, delivering light, crisp popcorn without oil or added grease. Everything happens fast, making it easy to prepare a full bowl while previews are still rolling. The included measuring cup doubles as a butter melting tray, letting you add flavor without extra dishes or mess. Its compact footprint fits comfortably on the counter, and non-slip feet keep it steady while popping. Cleanup stays minimal since there is no oil buildup to deal with afterward. It is designed for casual use, family gatherings, or quick snacks without complicated settings. Simple controls and reliable results make it approachable for kids and adults alike. Fresh popcorn becomes part of the routine instead of a special occasion, keeping things warm, crunchy, and ready to share. You can get it for $19.99. A dull blade changes how food prep feels, and this sharpener is built to bring control back quickly. Multiple preset angles guide each pass, helping you match the edge to the knife instead of guessing your way through sharpening. Sliding the blade through the slots feels steady and predictable, creating a clean edge without excessive pressure. It works across kitchen knives, pocket knives, and outdoor blades, making it useful beyond a single task. The ergonomic body stays comfortable in hand, while the durable construction holds up to repeated use over time. Instead of replacing knives or struggling with uneven cuts, sharpness becomes something you can restore in minutes. Simple motions, consistent results, and no complicated setup make it practical for everyday kitchens. You can get it for $37.99. Freshly grated cheese usually comes with extra effort, but this grater turns the job into a smooth, controlled motion. Turning the handle does the work for you, shredding ingredients quickly while keeping hands safely away from the blades. 5 interchangeable stainless steel drums let you switch between fine, coarse, slicing, or julienne cuts without slowing down prep. The suction base locks firmly onto the counter, so everything stays stable even when working fast. A wide hopper and food pusher make it easy to process cheese, vegetables, nuts, or chocolate without forcing ingredients through. Cleanup stays simple since the main parts are dishwasher safe, and the compact storage case keeps everything organized afterward. Designed for both right and left-handed use, it feels intuitive from the first turn, reliable, efficient, and easy to handle. It brings speed and safety together in everyday cooking. You can get it for $28.99. Serving snacks becomes far more organized when everything has its own place. This divided tray keeps fruits, nuts, candy, and appetizers separated and visible, making it easy to set out for guests or grab on the go. The clear design lets you see contents instantly, while secure latches and a silicone seal help prevent spills during transport. A built-in handle turns it into a convenient carry case for parties, picnics, or road trips. The removable compartments add flexibility, allowing you to arrange snacks or build a compact charcuterie setup wherever you are. Lightweight yet sturdy, it offers practical storage without feeling disposable. You can get it for $16.99. Busy mornings feel more manageable when breakfast does not demand constant attention. This cooker handles eggs exactly the way you like them, from hard or soft-boiled to poached, scrambled, or individual omelets, all with a single setup. Its larger capacity makes it easy to prepare up to a dozen eggs at once, which works well for families or weekly meal prep. Steam trays expand its use beyond eggs, letting you cook vegetables, dumplings, or seafood without adding extra appliances to the counter. Everything cooks quickly, and the automatic shutoff removes the need to watch the clock or worry about overcooking. The compact design keeps it approachable for daily use, while simple controls make results consistent every time. It streamlines routine cooking without sacrificing flexibility. You can get it for $29.39. Homemade bread becomes part of the routine when the process runs quietly in the background. This machine is built for larger loaves, handling generous batches that work well for families or weekly planning. Multiple preset programs take care of everything from classic white bread to gluten-free, sweet doughs, jam, or yogurt, so variety never feels complicated. Dual heating elements surround the loaf with even warmth, helping bread rise and bake consistently without dry spots. The ceramic non-stick pan releases cleanly and washes easily, while dual kneading paddles improve texture and structure during mixing. An automatic nut and fruit dispenser adds ingredients at the right moment, and the delay timer lets bread finish exactly when you want it. Powerful yet quiet, it runs without disrupting the day. Reliable, flexible, and designed for bigger results, it simplifies baking without sacrificing control. You can get it for $189.99. Whole fruits going straight into the juicer changes the entire rhythm of making juice. The wide feeding chute removes the need for chopping, letting you move from fresh produce to a full glass in far less time. Slow cold press extraction works gently, separating juice from pulp while preserving flavor and nutrients with minimal foam. The result tastes cleaner and feels more balanced. Whether you are using leafy greens, firm vegetables, or softer fruits, assembly stays intuitive, and once finished, cleanup takes only minutes thanks to the streamlined parts and rinse-friendly design. One-touch operation keeps everything simple, while the reverse function helps prevent jams mid-process. Despite its generous capacity, the footprint remains compact enough for smaller kitchens. It is designed for consistency, efficiency, and daily use without feeling bulky or complicated. You can get it for $75.99. Blending directly in the pot changes how cooking flows from start to finish. This immersion blender brings strong, consistent power to soups, smoothies, purees, and sauces without transferring anything to another container. Two speed options give you quick control, while the turbo mode adds extra force for tougher ingredients when needed. The stainless steel shaft reaches deep into bowls, jars, and pots, handling hot or cold mixtures with ease. Its ergonomic grip stays comfortable during longer use, reducing strain while keeping control steady. The blade design blends efficiently without trapping fibers, which helps both performance and cleanup. Once finished, the detachable shaft rinses clean in seconds and stores easily thanks to the hanging loop. Simple, compact, and surprisingly capable, it fits naturally into everyday cooking without taking up counter space. You can get it for $16.98. Draining pasta or vegetables no longer requires juggling a heavy colander over the sink. This clip-on strainer attaches directly to pots, pans, or bowls, letting you pour out water while food stays exactly where it is. The flexible silicone design handles heat safely and fits different sizes without taking up counter space. When you are done, it stores flat in a drawer instead of dominating a cabinet. Simple clips keep it secure, and cleanup is easy since it goes straight into the dishwasher. Compact, practical, and efficient, it streamlines a step most people repeat every day. You can get it for $9.89. Seasoning feels smoother when grinding happens at the press of a button, instead of constant twisting. This electric grinder set delivers consistent results while letting you adjust the grind size to match different dishes, from fine seasoning to coarse texture. The wide opening makes refilling fast and clean, avoiding spills and repeated top-offs during cooking. A large internal chamber means less frequent refills, keeping focus on the meal instead of maintenance. The rechargeable design removes the need for disposable batteries, making it practical for daily use. Everything rests neatly on the included storage base, keeping counters organized and grinders within reach. Simple controls and steady performance make it easy to season accurately while cooking or serving. Designed for convenience and control, it adds a subtle upgrade to everyday kitchen routines. You can get it for $29.99. Cooking feels far more controlled when sauces and oils stay off the counter. This utensil rest creates a dedicated spot for multiple tools at once, keeping spoons, spatulas, and tongs separated and ready as you move between tasks. Raised edges catch drips before they spread, so the stovetop stays cleaner throughout the process. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade silicone, it can sit close to the stove without warping or slipping thanks to its non-slip base. The wide surface accommodates several utensils at the same time, reducing clutter and unnecessary movement while cooking. Once everything is done, cleanup is effortless since it goes straight into the dishwasher. Simple, durable, and quietly effective, it replaces paper towels with a smarter solution that actually lasts. You can get it for $9.99. Peeling becomes faster when the tool works with the shape of the food instead of against it. This peeler uses dual rotating blades that glide smoothly over fruits and vegetables, removing skins cleanly without digging in or wasting produce. The motion feels light and controlled, helping maintain consistent results across carrots, apples, potatoes, and more. An integrated blemish remover handles small imperfections without switching tools. The soft grip handle stays comfortable in either hand, making longer prep sessions easier, even for those with limited grip strength. Built to resist clogging, it keeps peels moving instead of piling up. And cleanup is simple since it is dishwasher safe, balanced, sharp, and easy to manage. It turns a repetitive prep task into something quick and precise. You can get it for $17.99.